Hello friends, I am Nitesh Pradhan from Virtual Automation Based Online Summer Internship Program. In this program, we will see how we can write a code for LED fed. Okay, so for that, come here. Okay, take come into the Arduino. Okay, now come into the file. Click on the example basic. Okay, and after the basic, come into the fed. Okay, click on the fed. Now in this fed, you will find some. Okay, in this fed this one is our just information, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, now here initialize so here we are using the pin number 9. Okay, digital output pin number 9 of the Arduino. Okay, after that we are giving the value fatness value 0 and brightness value 0. We are initializing the brightness value 0 and fatness amount 5. Okay, how it will work we will learn. Okay, let's see. First let's copy all. Control C. Let's copy. Come on the Arduino platform. Come here and after that again add and click the previous delete the previous one. Control okay, place. Now okay, take 2 and delete. Sorry. Okay, and delete one more. Now come here and take one Arduino Uno. Okay, let's come and first try to understand about the our code. Here you can see the first one. So this is not a code, this is not a code, this is just a text right now. To convert this code into text, what we can do? So first we need to do save. Okay, we need to do save. But when you will try to save again, you need to come that platform simulate. Okay, come under the test. Okay, now make a second folder and inside the test and FAD. Okay, fad 1 fade 1, this with my. Okay, and save inside the with the name of fade.ino. Okay, fade.ino. Now save. Now you can see, now it is a code because the syntax has all syntax has enabled. Okay, now let's so here we are initializing, this portion is the initializing. Okay, initialize the first part. After here we are declaring. Okay, here we are declaring the okay pin. Okay, and now here we are writing. Okay, there are three uh portion. So there are three portion for that. Okay, now come here. Man, here LED 9. First we connect, we check. After that we'll try to learn what kind of what program has been tried to say. Okay, let's compile. Okay, now compilation is successful. Okay, now compilation is successful. Okay, run. Okay, so upload and run. Now you can see the brightness of my LED, it's glowing slightly. Okay, the brightness is increasing, then brightness is decreasing. So let's try to learn what is program try to tell and how the programmer has done this program. So first of all, here we are here we are initializing LED. Okay, we are giving the name LED. So LED is equal to 9. So because we are using the 9 pin number 9, which is PWM pin. Here we are trying to control the PWM. Okay, we are trying to control the PWM pin. Okay, so 9 pin number 9 is PWM, pulse width modulation. If modulation if width will be high, so the our the brightness of LED will be high. If the width will be low, the brightness of LED will be low. So what is the initial brightness? So the initial brightness is 0 because we are initializing. The initial brightness is 0. Okay, after that here we are giving the fairness amount. So it will the so fairness amount will be go on the in the multiple of the 5. Okay, 5, 10. Okay, with the amount of 5. Okay, now here we are declaring LED. So LED is the output, so I can change this LED into A. Okay, capital A. And again after that I can change this LED name into the capital A here also. Now here we are declaring the pin mode output. Now here we are using analog write, not read. Okay, if you want to take data, if you want to acquire data, then you read, then you take read, but you are trying to generate data, so we are using analog write. Okay, so here we are using analog write. And now this is LED brightness. So we are putting the so we are what we are putting, we are trying to insert, we are trying to put, we are trying to generate from pin number A. So from the pin number A. So what is the pin number A? So so pin number 9 is the pin number A. So pin number A is pin number 9. Okay, so let's again think about the same thing. So here earlier it was LED. Okay, so we are just, so which one is LED? LED control. So let's change the name LED control. Sorry, LED LEDC control. Okay, LED control my name. So I am trying to control LED by the pin number 9, LED A, LEDC. Okay, LEDC is the output. So why? So here we are we are trying to write the brightness on the LED control. Okay, we are trying to use the brightness. Okay, here we are giving the bright amount of brightness to the LED control. Now what is the brightness? So here if I change it's into BT. Okay, BT brightness. So here I will again change BT. So here I will change the BT. Here I will change. Now so here I am putting the my amount of BT. So my initialized BT amount is, my first initial BT amount is 0. So I am giving that initial BT amount 0. Now here I will increase the BT amount. So how I will increase the BT amount? I am writing a code. I am writing a code for the BT amount plus BT amount. Okay, brightness is equal to brightness plus something. It is equal to x equal to x plus 2. So always 2 is a 5, x is equal to x plus 2. So after that if if so it will be increased with the mathematical operation of 2 every number. Okay, so if the initial amount is 0, after that it will increase, it will make a table for 2. Okay, so same like it will make a table for the 5. Why? Because the BT amount because the fairness amount is 5. Okay, because the fairness amount is 5, it is just like a table of 5. Okay, first 0 plus 5, then 5 plus 5, then 10 plus 5, then 15 plus 5, then 25 plus 20 plus 5, then 25 plus 5. Okay, so fairness amount is 0. Now if the brightness, if the BT, if the BT is less than equal to, if the BT is less than 0, and if the BT is less than 0, and if the BT is greater than 0, greater than 255, if the BT is less than 0, or sorry, and uh, greater than 255, which one? BT. So the fairness amount will be the minus fairness amount. Now here after that the fairness amount will be the minus fairness amount. It means the if the fairness amount is 5, so the amount is the will be changed uh, change into the minus 5. Okay, so after that it will go there. Now the BT amount is 255. So the new BT amount will be the 255 plus minus 5. So 250, after that 250 plus 250. Okay, after that 250 plus minus 5, so 245, and now it will increase and decrease, and it will take delay for the 30 milliseconds. Okay, now compile. I am thinking okay, here for the compilation successful, I am expecting again after the change. Okay, compilation is successful. Upload, and now run again. It's again performing. Okay, stop this thing. Can I change the? Can I change it into the 3? Let's check 3, and okay, remove wire, connect with the 3. Okay, run. Compile first. After that, when compilation will be successful, output will successful, then we will. Okay, so compilation is successful. Now upload and run. Let's see, it's working. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will see how we can control the servo motor. Okay, servo motor, shift servo. Okay, thank you for watching this video.